They're gonna have you up on there.
Okay, you guys. I know. I figured the only way I could make this work is to use my iPad. So right now I'm using my iPad because, let's see, I ordered more and another external hard drive for my Mac. I'm hoping that works. You guys have to, y'all, this is me. Hi, everyone. Oh, and I did say, I think, in one of the videos that I made, I said Happy New Year's to all of you. But you know what I keep forgetting? Because I'm just a newbie. Hey, all of my retirees. Do you know when I retired, I found out there's a large group of us out here on YouTube. So, hey, I don't know what you guys, they had names for you guys, yeah, but for us anyway, I say you guys, like, I'm not amongst the yeah, retired ones, yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna have to record like this, so I'm going to go ahead and to let you all know, I'm gonna do this until tomorrow when I get my external hard drive, and I'll see if I could just upload right from my Mac. And if not, I'm just gonna go, maybe it's time for a new computer. I don't know, but I hate to have to do that. But you okay? Oh, I said shh. I told you shh. I'm sorry. And then I told you to go in the back. I'm sorry. But anyway, you guys, you all get to see me clean up. And as I clean, because I could use this thing right here, I can actually let you all not clean my house, but actually clean this space back here. I'm reorganizing, and I think in my last video I showed you all, I actually picked it up. I'm not going to do it this time, and showed you all everything that I was actually, cleaning up. But what I'd like to do is, I have so many projects. Like right now, I'm working on one right now that I haven't seen a lot of people do it, but it's almost like the snippet rolls. Let me see if I could turn this around. I don't think it'll allow, let's see. I don't think it'll allow me to turn it around, but I think I could hold it this way so you could see. I guess not. Can you see over that? Yeah, but I guess I say that to say I'm working on a lot of projects that I've been actually putting together. I've been watching YouTube videos. I've been watching groups of like the junk journal people, the mixed media groups. I've been watching several different people, the hauling groups. Yeah, I've been watching you guys, and you guys have me at Tuesday morning a little more than I want to be. But anyway, I am. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I am going to show you all of the little goody stuff that I've been doing. Like this right here. I found this to be, these dies, I found this to be so relaxing. I mean, just cutting them out, first of all, and putting them together. And then just sitting there actually putting them together. Yeah, and putting them in little baggies, and yeah, I had lots of fun with them. And when I tell you guys, I know I went stupid crazy with them. I'm gonna show you these. That's the first one I did. I messed him up. See the little dot on his face. And this one. And this one. My face feels, this is a grainy picture. I don't know why I'm not getting a good picture, but it looks grainy. But anyway, you guys, bear with me while I go through all of this stuff. And as I go through it, I think I'm going to set it up, because when I tell you it's horrible in here, and I have so much stuff, and this is not even the stuff that I had home. I did bring a few things with me, but then machines, and oh my gosh, I just ended up buying more stuff to put in here so that I could actually craft. I just wanted to craft, and then I couldn't. I don't know. But now I got my mojo back, and then I couldn't record, and I was just going to say to hell with it, but it's just too much of an investment here already. So I decided to try to make it work. Right now, I got stuff over here. I got stuff over here. I got stuff in front of me on the table, over here, over here. It's all around me. And another thing I am going to do, I'm going to just talk to you guys so you guys get to sit and chit chat with me. Okay, I know. Hey, I am going to do this, and I'm doing a series. Y'all want to learn with me? This is supposed to be a good book. Yeah. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to learn to hand letter. Yeah, in my style of writing, because I think that's my problem right now with me learning how to do that hand lettering. I started learning calligraphy, and then I started learning to use my own script. And now it's kind of hard for me to just do that. It's something funny about the pencil. And so I'm actually struggling with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all of the books that I purchased, all of the materials, the pens, the fine liners, the markers, the brush pens, the books. I purchased bunches of them. The tracing papers. I just went ahead and purchased a bulk load of tracing paper. The light, let's see, I don't know, but when I do that, I'll show you all of the stuff that I'm using. And because I'm gonna have to do this either, I know my face is dry and I have a mustache. I know I said that, didn't I? Okay, you guys, but yeah, as I do stuff, I want to get back to just learning how to do different stuff, or doing stuff that I wanted to do and haven't done. Right now, what I'm going to do is catch up. So if you're watching this video, I just want you to know, if in the past, 2018, 3 people I know, 2 of them were winners for some of my collaborations that I was in. And one of them was a swap. I have not completed those. So if you are Audrey, let's see, who's the other one? Karen Blake, or is it Break? One of those. And Melanie, I think her name is Melanie. I'm not certain. I actually owe you all projects. I have your addresses, I think, but I think when they took away the mail from us, I lost a lot of your addresses and stuff. I have it at home, but as you all know, I'm not home. I'm at my other home, let's just say that. And I love this place. It's so cozy. It's so, oh my gosh, you guys, it is so cozy here. And probably why I haven't been back home yet, well, for a long period of time. I have been back home, you guys. Probably 3 times already. We were supposed to go this weekend, but of course we were looking for snow. That didn't happen, so yeah, we just stayed in town. But anyway, you all, I know, I have to go get some things done. I have dry splotches on my face too, and it could be because it's winter time again. I mean, now, and the weather change, and my face is going to change. But as I do this, I'm going to let you all go through it with me. I wish this is what I did. We did a lot of renovations here. We did a lot of renovations here when I moved on this side. I haven't moved yet, but you know, when I came, and we renovated the floors and did some little changes in the kitchen and throughout the house and the decor. And after we finished, it was like, why didn't you take pictures before so that you could do a before and after thing? I didn't do it, and maybe one day I will, because I could just clean up and act like, hey, this is the first time I did this. But yeah, first I want to get all of this stuff done, and the backdrop is the kitchen. Yeah, so you'll see the backdrop here. It's going to be my backdrop until I can figure out my camera situation. So yeah, I'm so glad to be back. I just want this to be video hassle free. Yeah, I don't want any issues with the videos and stuff. And right now, so far, I've had nothing but issues. I got a lot of stuff in here, and I'm just hoping that I could get it organized and fixed so that I'm ready to do videos on a regular. I don't care about the angle. I don't care that it has to be face to face. Now that I'm face to face, what the hell? I mean, oh, yeah, that. But anyway, you guys, bear with me as I go through these. Probably about a week of processes just so I could get this right. But I'm 10 minutes into this right now. I don't know how iPad and YouTube work together, so it seems to be pretty easy. So I'm going to go. I got to figure out how I uploaded that first video from my iPad to see how to upload this one. Hopefully, I could go over a certain amount of time. I'm thinking it's still only YouTube time. You guys, when I tell you I have so much I want to do, that I plan to do, I'm going to start jotting stuff down. Well, get back to that. I have my planners. I have my Bible journaling. Another book. Wait, that's good. Have y'all seen that one? Yeah, and I'll do a review on this one too. Perfect book. And look at all of the... Let me just show you guys this. Because this book is awesome. Look at all of the traceable sheets they have in there. Awesome. And if you have your light, I ask you all about this. I'll do a review on this book and tell you about it, okay? Your light. You know your night light? I'll tell you about that one too. I'll show you all the products that I am using or have purchased over time. And yeah, so I'm gonna end this video and then I'll come back. I love you guys too. You guys are so sweet. Yeah, so I'll see. Yeah, I'll let you all know, and then I'll tell you guys some of my plans. Hey, I mean, all I can do is plan now, right? Because I have nothing better to do than that. But you know, when I tell you all that it took me a minute to figure out what to do with myself. It was like, I want to sleep. Oh, maybe not. Okay. I spent a lot of times in the stores shopping, just buying craft stuff. If y'all could see how much stuff I have here, you would tell me, Miss D, slow down. And that's what I want to do right now. I'm to the point where I know everything, just about every single thing that I have right now. If it didn't come out before May, because I've been here since then, May of 2000 of last year, from till now. If it's new, I purchased it. But if I didn't have it and I wanted to do a certain project or something, or I just wanted to look at it, I will order it. So I have it here, and now I could use it all. I'm thinking some things I tried to get that was different than what I had at home already. And that is another issue too. All the stuff that I have home in my craft room there, what do I do with it? Because the place that I'm living at now is a lot smaller than the place that I'm in. So right now, at this moment, I don't have a dedicated scrap room. We're thinking about either adding on or doing a she shed. I could do a she shed easy because we got a shed, but we're talking about turning that into a he shed, and I'll get a she shed, yeah. But anyway, yeah, right now I don't have a place in the house, but yeah, so I'm gonna just show you so many projects that I've actually finished. I'm just walking around, you guys, so just bear with me. I started, I saw and I jotted down, and I also put like people I saw, a project that I'm working on right now. And I don't know who came up with it, but it's called slow stitching. And I was like, I gotta make that. So I've been putting little pieces together. I'm gonna stitch them. I'm gonna pin them together like this. Look, you guys. I could show y'all like this. once I get all of the laces, it's gonna be a book cover. Once I get all the laces on there, I'll stitch them on this piece of paper, except I'm gonna put a piece of batting behind mine because I think it would make it feel better if it was cushiony like. So yeah, once I get all of these different, I just got a whole load of fabrics here. I even had to buy scraps of fabric, you guys, because laces, y'all know how much lace I have at my house. But I had to buy scraps and pieces of laces just to do stuff like this because I didn't have any of that stuff here. And even when I went home to get stuff to bring back here, I knew in my mind what I wanted to work on. So though I got a lot of stuff, I didn't really get everything that I wanted to use. But hey, I'm gonna come back. It's 15 minutes now and 48 seconds. It may not let me upload this, but I'm gonna give it a try. And I'm gonna come back and chit chat with you guys later, okay? I love talking to you guys. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.